各位早晨，唔好意思，我遲咗啲咁多。今日好高興見到大家街坊出嚟參加梁先生呢個活動同埋 UCA。我想多謝梁生請我過嚟同大家講幾句。我係陳學禮參議員。今個夏天，哇！大家知道今個夏天好熱係咪？我哋嘅電費、煤氣乜嘢都加價，所以咧我哋有好多家人都感覺到嗰啲嘢貴過頭嘅。所以我可以講俾大家聽，我會繼續努力喺州府嗰度同大家盡量壓低嗰啲生活費同埋電費、煤氣同埋加起嗰啲福利救濟嗰啲咁嘅嘢。大家亦都知道，我乜嬲都好幫我哋嘅警察局嘅。大家知道而家我哋嘅治安唔係好好，但係我會繼續幫助警方同埋帶大家嘅聲音去州府嗰度同大家奮鬥。多謝你今日出嚟，咁樣遲啲啦，呢個月我哋個寫字樓亦都會有一個送啲嘢俾嗰啲細路仔翻去學校㗎。今個秋天咁樣啦，請大家留意我哋嘅微信同埋資料。咁樣今個月尾啦，我哋會有一個節目，就喺呢度對面呢個公園嗰度。咁樣多謝晒大家支持先。我自己嗰啲義工，我想多謝我哋嗰啲義工出嚟。義工喺嗰度，佢哋聽唔到我講乜嘢。Good evening, good morning, everyone. I'm State Senator Stephen Chan. I'm very happy to be here today. I want to thank Mr. Kwa Liang and UCA for inviting me here to speak to everybody at this after-school event. As everyone knows, that this has been a very hot summer, and we have rising costs that affects many of our families in terms of paying for electricity or gas or taxes. I just want everybody to know that I'm doing everything that I can to stand up for our community, bring in more resources, lower the cost or keeping the cost at the same level as where they were a year ago. We have successfully negotiated a freeze on the price of gas in the utilities. So that's not going to go up for the near future. And I want to thank National Grid as well as the Public Service Commission for that. So I want to thank everybody for your support. My volunteers are right here. Thank you. I want to thank everybody for your support. My office will be also conducting a back-to-school event later on this month, right across the street over here. Look at my finger, right across the street over here at Parkville Center later in the month. There's going to be free hot dogs and hamburgers and school bag giveaways. So I want to thank everybody for being here. I'm Steve Chan. Thank you. Okay.